Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to disable iPhone screen flash in iOS 26 or later. If your iPhone screen flashes when you receive alerts or notifications, it's because the screen flash accessibility feature is enabled on your device. While helpful for users who rely on visual cues, these flashes can feel distracting, especially in dark environments or during quiet moments. Thankfully, iOS makes it easy to turn this feature off and regain a calmer, distraction-free experience. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Accessibility feature. And then you have to select the Audio and Visual option. This section is responsible for combining sound and visual alert settings. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Flash for Alerts option. Now, if you want to completely disable this feature, just turn off the toggle for Flash for Alerts. However, if you want to disable the screen flash feature but want to retain the LED flash, ensure that the LED flash option is selected in the menu. On this very screen, you should see the options to make your iPhone flash while unlocked or set your device to flash only in the silent mode. Now, customize this handy accessibility feature to your heart's liking, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily disable iPhone screen flash feature in iOS 26 or later. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.